Shifting our focus to breaking inputs coming in, the roll revision war has now reached Supreme Court. Top leaders from several opposition parties have come together to challenge the recent changes made to Bihar's electoral rolls. They filed a petition in the Supreme Court raising serious concerns about the Election Commission's revision process. And among those who have approached the court are Congress leader K.C. Venugopal, Supriya Sule from the NCP-SP, CPI's D. Raja, Arvind Sawant of the UBT, Harinder Malik from Samajwadi Party, Sarfaraz Ahmed of the JMM, Dipankar Bhattacharya of CPIML, and leaders from the DMK as well. So 9 opposition netas have knocked the Supreme Court's door on the electoral revision order of the Election Commission in Bihar. Let's go across to Sabyasachi. He's getting us more details. The opposition has come together challenging the order now.
That's right. See, the opposition has come together to challenge the ECI on the special intensive revision of voter list that is taking place in the state of Bihar. Now the opposition says that this particular process undermines transparency and it is against the constitution, and that is the very reason the India bloc is coming together and they have filed several petitions in the Supreme Court, and the hearing is going to take place on 10th of this month. Now the opposition has been demanding that the ECI should take this back immediately. Now we had seen that the opposition parties had gone to the ECI to meet with the Election Commission to put out their agenda. Now the opposition says that they are hoping that good sense prevail in ECI and they take it back, and the opposition says that they would going to fight it in the courts as well as on the street, and that is the reason why on the 9th of this month Mr. Rahul Gandhi will be reaching Bihar, and along with Tejaswi Yadav, Mahagathbandhan will be holding a chakka jam against the ECI, stating that the ECI is working on behest of the BJP, and this particular revision of voter list is being done to favor the Bharatiya Janata Party in the upcoming Bihar polls.
All right, Sabyasachi, thank you very much for getting us the details. We'll keep coming back to you for more updates on this big story. For the moment, we're slipping into a short break.